We're over at Millwrights in Simsbury. I am with Chris, and he has very graciously donated his time and talents to show us how to make a cocktail. And I believe it's going to be a gin cocktail, which is very exciting, because I love gin. So, Chris?
Okay, here we go. Hi everybody, I'm Chris from Millwrights Fabric. Today we're going to make a drink we just put on the menu for the spring and summer season called a Southside Gin Ricky. Pretty old drink, probably originated towards the end of Prohibition. The actual origin is a little obscured at this point, but nonetheless it's become a contemporary favorite. You could liken it to a gin mojito, you could call it a highball with mint. Doesn't matter, it's still tasty either way. I'm going to take 3/4 simple syrup, equal parts water and sugar. We're going to take 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. We're going to take 2 ounces of London dry gin.
Which you just mentioned a second ago is the standard type of gin, correct? The London Dry?
It's the one we're probably most familiar with.
Sure.
Yeah, Beefeater, Tanqueray, Bombay Sapphire. Oh, maybe not Sapphire. They're all examples of London Dry,
Sure.
which is juniper forward and cool and fresh. I mean, Western style dry gins are a little different, a little less juniper. We'll take a handful of freshly plucked mint and we'll just drop it right in there instead of muddling. We'll add some ice and we will shake.
So why do you just drop the mint in versus muddling it like you would for a mojito?
Well, you could just drop it in for a mojito too. The piston-like action of the shaking is going to get all the expression out of the mint that you need anyway.
Oh, sure.
So it's almost a step you can eliminate, and the faster you can make the drink, the better. We're going to double strain this to remove as much of the mint leaf as possible. Get a nice clean drink here.
So you have a coarse strainer, and then it's going through a fine strainer after that, right?
Absolutely.
Glass with some nice looking ice cubes.
Some club soda to top it off. And just a gentle little stir. Garnish that with a lime, a straw, and some fresh mint around the edge.
Very nice. And could you just hold it up, please, when you're done, so you can get a nice of it?
And there it is.
Oh, very nice.
That is the Southside Gin Ricky.
Well, cheers. Looks very good.
Excellent.
Okay, thanks for showing us.